Welcome to the Cardinal Research Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Welcome to the Cardinal Minute. We just had an excellent talk on beta cell replacement therapy for diabetes by Dr. Bala, who really summarized some of the work he's been doing and updated us on this topic. Dr. Bala?
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mokshagundam. So we have been doing islet cell transplantation, islet biology work for a longer period of time. This therapy works very well. It's an attractive alternative for the treatment of type 1 diabetes. And utilizing the islet cells, it is easy to find cure for type 2 diabetes. And islet cell is a basic for many islet biology studies, diabetes research, in order to prevent development of autoimmunity and regenerating the native pancreatic islet cells, even for future stem cells.